This is why you need loaded potato skins in your life. They're crispy, cheesy, and absolutely delightful. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a classic appetizer that never fails to impress: loaded potato skins. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Scrub 4 large russet potatoes, pierce them a few times with a fork, rub with olive oil, and sprinkle with salt. Bake for about 45 minutes until tender. Once cool, cut them in half lengthwise and scoop out the insides, leaving a 1/4 inch of potato on the skins. Brush with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and bake cut side down for 10 minutes. Flip and bake for another 5 minutes until crisp. Load each skin with shredded cheddar cheese and crumbled bacon. Bake for 7 minutes until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Sprinkle with sliced green onions and serve hot with sour cream. These loaded potato skins are a hit at any gathering and super easy to make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes. Enjoy!